Hello everyone, Kate Crane here. We're celebrating 10 years of Caramel Studio and we're inviting you to join us for this challenge. We've worked on a 10cm square base, we've used a checkerboard and we've used a touch of green, and we invite you to join us in this challenge. Thank you so much for watching. I'm starting with a gel plate, any size gel plate. I'm using a large tag. I'm using, this is Cosmic Cubes by Alexi for Caramel Studio. I'm using alcohol inks in Lettuce and Cloudy Blue. I have a brayer ready, some standard white acrylic paint and some card for printing. And I'm going to begin by adding alcohol ink through the stencil, not too much. And now it's time to take the print. So a bit of white paint. I'm going to repeat that process now with some pinks and oranges so I get some contrast to work with. Gumball, Pink Sherbet, Coral and Valencia. I want to cut a window in the middle, so I'm going to measure 2 centimetres from the edge. Now I'm using a circle punch. I'm going to cut a circular window out of my contrasting piece, and then I can layer my 3 pieces. Just before I piece these together, I'm going to ink the edges. I've got crushed olive and abandoned coral. It just gives a much neater finish. Once you have your 3 layers, you've got the perfect frame in the middle for a little character stamp. Just something like the smallest Martian. Now I'm going to add a little bit of colour to that, but I've also got these ready from, this is from Birgit's set of Rainbow Is My Favourite Colour, and just in neutrals sometimes they have a nice balance against all of the colour. I'm going to stick to the same distress ink, so I've got abandoned coral and crushed olive just to add a little bit of colour to my image. Adding a tiny bit of shading with a Stabilo pencil. So I've added the stitching on mine. I've also stitched the little vines in place, and now just to finish off, a quote from Minnie Mo by Edwige. I'm going to add this to my journal, and now that's in place, just a little bit of stickles to finish off. Thank you so much for watching. I do hope you enjoy playing along.